Welcome to MV Coding Camp. Build coding foundation by learning basic coding fundamentals using real code and hands-on exercises. Don't worry, what we'll cover applies to any programming language. Let's get started.
This is a computer. But these devices are computers too. They all have something in common. They have one or more functions. A function is like a job or a task that the device is designed to do. This computer helps you add numbers, for example. If you take one of these devices and turn its power off, and then turn it back on, will it remember its job? Yes, it will. But how did the phone remember its job? Well, the jobs are written down and saved in the phone. And when they power up, they simply read the directions to know what to do. But who wrote the directions in the first place? That person is called a programmer. Sometimes you see titles like software engineer, software developer, or coder. They all mean the same thing. A programmer's job is to write the directions that an app, a game, a website, a machine, or even a robot will need to do its job. Are you ready to be a programmer?